Those are fun. Hi, baby girl. The squirrels were coming around this morning, huh? Sweetheart. There's a little guy over there, huh? It's a little guy. And there were some squirrels playing in that. So cute. Playing in that, playing with that branch. Those squirrels this morning, they were so cute. Have a good day at work. Bye-bye now. Be blessed. Yeah, the squirrel was out over here on this stick. It was the cutest thing playing around. Sometimes they come up over here, but it was over there across at the neighbor's house. But they like to hang out and do their thing. That's for sure. They love this yard. All the trees, the birds. The birds are gone. They're gone. Everybody takes off. I don't know where they really go. Maybe I'll look that up just to know for myself. But yeah, they hatch. They feed them. It's about a 3-week period from knowing that, the mother is about ready to see them hatch. And she's really preparing. Boy, that thing this year, I got to really clean it out. Look at the size of that. It's just like busted out at the seams. So I got to clean all that out, and they'll rebuild it. They'll rebuild their nest for next year, and that's how it goes. So here's to them, right? Fly free.